The Clearspan unified messaging goes beyond classic voicemail. It provides all of the features of a traditional voice messaging solution, plus you can have new voice messages sent to your email as an attachment, or you can just be notified via email or a text message when you receive a new voice message. You can remotely access your voicemail from any phone. You can decide when to send calls directly to voicemail, when you're on the phone, when you don't answer a call within a certain number of rings, during a specific time of day, for example, in the evening, outside of business hours. You can even send a call directly to voicemail based upon a specific incoming number. You can have a fax forwarded as an attachment to your email. Set up an escape number that gives the caller the option to go to an alternate number instead of leaving a voicemail message. Control is given to you. You can set up any or all of these features through an easy-to-use web interface, and you can record multiple custom voicemail greetings. So let me give you a quick tour on how to set these up. Launch a browser and enter the URL of the web voice portal and log in. You have the control to turn voicemail on or off and decide when calls should go to voicemail. From the menu on the left, click on Messages. To the right are various options and features and their status of whether they're on or off. The first thing we'll look at is voice management. At the top, you can turn voicemail on or off. When voicemail is turned on, you can select when the calls go to voicemail. For a typical voicemail setup, you would want the second and third box to have a check mark. The second box would send an incoming call to voicemail if you were on the phone. The third checkbox would send an incoming call to voicemail if you didn't answer the call. The first checkbox, Send all calls to voicemail, might be used if you went on vacation. Just remember to turn it off when you come back. When you are finished, click on the Apply button to save your changes. The When Messages Arrive option determines where your voicemail messages are stored and how you listen to them. If you want to retrieve voicemail messages using your phone and also have the option to send a copy to your email account, select Use Unified Messaging. If you only want to listen to your voice messages using an email account and never use the phone retrieval option, select Forward it to this email address and provide the email address where you want all of your voice messages to be sent. When you are finished, click on the Apply button to save your changes. You can be notified with an email or text message when you receive a new voicemail message. Check the box and enter your email address, or to get a text message on your mobile phone, enter your text message SMS email address. This is your 10-digit mobile telephone number and your mobile service provider's SMS email address. I've listed 2 examples here. If you are not sure what yours is, check with your service provider. If you would like to also receive your voicemail messages as an attachment in your email inbox, check this option and enter your email address. The last option is to set up an escape number. If you choose to check this box and set up this option, when someone gets your voicemail and is listening to your greeting, you can instruct them to leave a message or press 0 to be transferred to another number. For example, this other number can be your mobile phone, a coworker, or the front desk attendant. So my greeting might sound like this. Hi, this is Dan. You can press 0 now to be transferred to my mobile phone. Or, wait for the tone and leave me a message. So if you want to enable the escape number, check the box, enter the alternate number, click on the Apply button to save your settings, and then in your voicemail greeting, give your callers the instructions. You can also remotely access your voicemail box from any phone by dialing your voice portal number. Follow the voice prompts. For security, you will have to enter your extension and passcode. The password menu is under Profile and Passwords. In the messaging menu, You can also set up distribution lists, upload customized greetings, and turn on and set up fax messaging. Automatically forward your incoming calls to a different phone number when predefined criteria is met, such as an incoming phone number, time of day, or day of week. From the menu, click on Incoming Calls, then click on Call Forwarding Selective. The rules we set up here will override the previous screens. So what we did previously is how we want our incoming calls to be handled. In this menu, we can further customize how incoming calls will be handled. I'm going to set up two rules, one for a VIP client and one that will send a call straight to voicemail. The feature uses calling line identification, or caller ID, to identify the number that is calling. The first rule is how to handle incoming calls that have a high priority to me. This could be an important customer or client, a family member, or my boss, and I want to always forward this call to an alternate number, such as my mobile phone. Enter a default number. I will enter my office phone and click on the Apply button. Click on the Add button. Type the description, VIP, clients. Click on the second radio button and enter an alternate number. For this example, it's my mobile number. If I have previously set up a schedule, I can also have this rule follow the schedule, or I can just leave the default, every day, all day. Under Calls From, click on the Following Number radio button, and I'll enter my client's number, 469-365-3938. It belongs to Gina Wilson. Then click OK. Now to turn the feature on, click on the On Radio button, and click Apply. So now when the system sees a call from Gina Wilson's number, 469-365-3938, the call will be sent to my mobile phone. Let's set up a straight to voicemail rule. Anytime I get a call from this next number, send it straight to voicemail. Don't even ring my phone. It's the same process. Description. But the forward to number will be the voicemail system number, *62. Click on Calls from the Following Number radio button. Enter the number. For this example, 469-365-4210. And click OK. So now when the system sees a call from 469-365-4210, the call will be sent directly to my voicemail.
You've reached the voicemail box of Dan Teague. At the tone, leave me a message.
All other calls will follow my standard voice management setup. Just these two numbers will get special treatment. We hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on unified messaging.